In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import journal entries in Odoo 17 step by step using the free Odoo online demo so you can follow along without installing anything. This tutorial is perfect if you're an accountant, business owner, or Odoo beginner who wants to save time by importing entries instead of creating them manually one by one. We'll walk through the full process, from opening the demo database to uploading your data file correctly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Odoo Demo and press Enter. From the search results, click on Demo Odoo Online. This will open an official Odoo demo environment where you can test features without any risk. Once the demo page loads, choose the demo database and you'll be redirected into the Odoo interface. Now that you're inside Odoo, look at the main dashboard where all the apps are listed. From here, click on the Accounting app. This will open the Accounting module where you can manage journal entries, invoices, reports, and more. After the Accounting app loads, look at the top menu and click on Journal Entries. This will take you to the list view where all existing journal entries are displayed. On this screen, look for the Import Records option. This is usually available from the list view actions or directly as an import button. Click on Import Records to start the import process. Now you'll be taken to the import screen. Here, click on Upload Data File. This is where you upload your CSV or Excel file that contains the journal entry data. Make sure your file is properly formatted with the correct columns, such as date, journal, account, debit, credit, and reference. Once you upload the file, Odoo will automatically try to map the columns from your file to the corresponding Odoo fields. Carefully review this mapping to ensure everything matches correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can manually adjust the field mapping before continuing. After confirming the mapping, click on Test or Preview to validate the data. This step helps catch errors before the actual import. If there are no errors, go ahead and click Import. Odoo will now process the file and create the journal entries automatically in your system. Once the import is complete, you'll see the newly imported journal entries in the list view. That's it! You've successfully imported journal entries in Odoo 17 using the demo environment. This same process applies to real production databases as well. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical Odoo guides and accounting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.